Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working with something that I've been searching high and low for. I finally found them at Walmart. I just happened to go in the lash section and there they were. Magnetic lashes. So when I first heard about these, I was like,
oh my god, I can't wait to try them. They're so cool.
But I had one question. What if the strip is too long for your natural lash? A lot of the times I find that with my other strip lashes, I always have to trim them because they're too long for my natural lash line. What about these? Can you trim them because they have magnets on? Will it mess up
the magnetization,
whatever word you use for that? So I got two pairs. I got the double wispies and I got the accents. Let's read the instructions before I go into this and just mess everything up. It says application. Step 1. Gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Step 2. Gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnetic lashes together. Removal. Using your index finger and thumb, carefully slide top and bottom magnets away from each other one by one. Do not pull lash straight off, which is something that I would have done and probably ripped my lashes out anyway, so it wouldn't even matter the comparison magnetic lash versus regular lash. Okay, so I'm gonna take this top one off. I'm gonna grab a mirror. We're gonna start with the double wispies. Let's see how this goes. And I'm gonna take my magnet tool and let's go ahead and get this application started. So that was a fail, but we're gonna keep on trying. Okay, I gotta stop looking down. I wanna put it high up here and then grab the lower. Oh, I'm blinking too much. Okay, so this end is on pretty good. But this, oh well, did it? No, nah. I think the magnets are uneven. Okay, that looks a lot better. Yeah, I definitely think I would have to, ouch. Oh, it pinched my skin. I definitely think that I would have to trim these. Okay, so there's the first lash. It doesn't feel really uncomfortable. It feels like it's on there pretty good except for on this edge down here. But I think it's because I don't have a lot of lashes over there. I think it's just too long. I think it needs a trim. We'll do the other lash and we're gonna trim that one and then do a comparison. Oh, sticky stuff took out one of my lashes. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna trim off this first little magnet. Hopefully that don't mess nothing up. The end just will probably be loose. That's the only thing because it's gonna have nothing holding it together. But I don't want to cut too much off. It's kind of hard to cut because look. Alright, let's see if this one is any better. What the heck is going on? Oh, the first magnet on the top lash pulled the second magnet on the bottom lash. Okay, one more time. Oh, this is so difficult. So I see a huge difference. This one on my right eye, the one that I trimmed, it really benefits my eye shape and makes my eye look way wider. This one makes my eye look smaller and it's just going straight across and it's just not flattering at all. Okay, so we're gonna get these off now and we're gonna try the accents. I think those will be a lot easier. That just felt really nice. And when they're together on your eye, just slide it and it'll come apart really smooth. Next lash. At last, my love has come along. Oh my goodness. I suck at these.
A few moments later.
Finally got the tape off after 30 years. So again, we have the accents. We got the upper and the under lash. I do not like this. You see the little glue spots? They make it hard for you to take them out. And my last one, it ripped one of the lashes off. I understand, you know, it's a way to keep it in there because it doesn't have the actual adhesive on the lash part, but geez, they could have like put a metal lining in there or something instead of the glue. You don't want to mess up the lash. That's silly. So PSA, Ardell, to benefit your product's packaging, try doing a thin metal strip right here so the magnet can just stick to the strip. That way you don't mess up your product. That way you don't have no customer complaints. Would help you out a lot. Just make sure y'all give me my cut, okay? We're going to take the upper. So let's get it together. Hopefully this one goes on faster. Ooh, those are pretty just by itself. Oh, that was way easier than the other one. I actually love this. I'm gonna start wearing these a lot. You can already see it. I'm about to go to the store and get like 4 packs just to last. Because this looks really nice. It just gives that little wing look and it's perfect for hoodies. I got hooded eyes, in case y'all didn't notice. And it's a struggle out here. Ooh, that one pinched my skin. Okay, it looks like we got them on pretty good. So I definitely enjoy these lashes way better than the double wispies. Accents are amazing. They're way easier application. I guess because they're smaller and they only go on half of your eye, so you don't gotta like connect it all the way across, because let me tell you, that is hard. Like super hard. You gotta be like, and then they're probably too long for you anyways unless you got really big eyes. So easier application. They look cuter to me. You don't gotta trim them. They're perfect. And they just keep coming back with the damn lawnmower. Why did they make walls so thin? I need soundproof, people. Soundproof. Anyways, I'm definitely gonna start wearing these. Hopefully the application process will get easier as I keep practicing. Same thing with regular lashes. I had to practice that stuff forever before I got to the point now to where I can just boom. Want to see that again? Boom, boom. Yep, that's exactly what I do. So these are amazing. The idea was amazing. 2 things. If it ain't one thing, it's another. So 2 things I would change. Ardell, are you listening? 1, create different sizes because not all eye shapes and sizes are the same. You would have to trim these, and trimming does not work with the amount of magnets that are on there. There's only 4. So if you trim one off and you don't trim it all the way down to the other magnet, then you just have lash hanging there, not clasped together like the other parts of it. Not cool. That looks just like a lash that has loose glue on the end that's hanging off. We don't want that. Second thing that I would change would be for the packaging. Get rid of these little sticky things because that could mess up the lash. That could mess up the product. And we know we can't go to the store and get a refund for it. That's not cool. That's just a waste of money. It would be a really good idea to put a metal strip or something else in there that will hold it together. Those are the only 2 real problems that I had with these lashes. Aside from that, they're great. Especially these ones, the accents, those are phenomenal. I would definitely pick wearing these every day versus some glue-on lashes. Now, if you can fix the size problem with the other kinds, whatever styles that you make, I'm all in for these. I'll definitely switch over, get rid of the glue, because I do not like putting glue on my lashes. It gets stuck in there, it pulls my natural lashes out. It's just not fun. Well, that's all we got for today. We're finished with the product review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out if you were struggling on making a decision whether you wanted to purchase these or not. I need more personality. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Thumbs down if you didn't like it. You know the drill. It's whatever. Thank you for watching anyways. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Anyways, I said that in the last video. Bye-bye.